Assalamu alaikum students, this is Javed Zulfikar. Hope all of you will be fine. We are starting our physics books for class 9. So all the students during listening my lecture you should have physics books in front of you. So before this class 8 or pre level, this is a new subject for that students who are new in this class. Okay, but this not a new name is new only physics. After class 8, there was only science book which has divided into 3 or 4 parts. Basic 3 parts are physics, chemistry and bio. There will be an appropriate division of physics. Okay, in all other sciences, physics is fundamental and basic science. So that we are discussing. This is lecture 1. Basic definitions will be there. The name of the first chapter is physical quantities and measurement. Okay, in physical quantity and measurement, the basic outline that we are going to study. Basically, the physics is the branch of science. So first of all, before going to starting our physics book, we need to know about science and how physics came, other sciences, chemistry, biology, astronomy, how these sciences came. Okay. All right, science first of all. The basic knowledge that we are discussing is just according to science. So we can define science as the knowledge gained through observation and experimentation. The knowledge gained through observation and experimentation is called science. Okay, last time you people repeat with me. The knowledge gained through observation and experimentation is called science. Okay, next is science is a Latin word. This is not an English word. So it means scientia. It means knowledge. Okay, the next is natural philosophy. Natural philosophy is before 18th century. Before 18 or not until 18th century. Before 18th century. The whole science, the whole study of science, we read under a single aspect. This is called natural philosophy. I want to repeat this. Before 18th century, all the things that happen, that discussed, that happening on that time was studied under the same aspect. Only same. This was natural philosophy. Okay, they just believe on that the philosophy that is happen only just from nature. There is no artificial. There is nothing is happened because of environment or any other thing. Okay, so this was only natural philosophy. Okay, after that, as well as the time was going on, the same continue. There will be 2 more branches of natural philosophy divided into basic 2 more aspects. So these are physical science and biological science. Before 18th, it was only natural philosophy. This is the history of basic science from not until 18th, before 18th century. So after that, in natural philosophy, all the things were discussed under same thing, that it will become nature. It has just because of nature. Only people believe just like a conservative things. So after that, after more time, so it become 2 types. Natural philosophy was divided into 2 types. Physical science and biological science. They just divide these into 2 main streams. So first is physical science and the next is biological science. In physical science, non-living things were discussed. All the non-living things are aside for physical science, and in biological science, living things were discussed. Okay, they made 2 categories basic, which was not enough. Non-living things for physical science and living things for biological science. So in natural philosophy, basic 2 things. All the words categorized by two things. That one more. Repeat with me. One more time, the living things for biological science and non-living thing for physical science. In physical science, we will discuss non-living things, and in biological science, we will discuss living things. Clear? This was until before 18th century. As well as time continues, so this will become happen biological science and physical science. So this is the basic introduction of science. Okay, after that in 19th century, what happened? The physical science were divided into 5 main streams. In 19th century, first we were before 18th century, then in 18th century it has become in 2 parts, and in 19th century the physical science were divided into 5 main streams. I am repeating, in 19th century physical science were divided into main 5 streams: physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology and meteorology. Physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology, meteorology. Physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology and meteorology. You people will learn. This is an important short question. What were the branch of physical science in 19th century? So these were 5: physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology and meteorology. So in 19th century this branch were divided, this physical science were divided into this categorized: physics and chemistry. You will also see astronomy, geology and meteorology, the upper level, this will be discussed, but physics and chemistry we will discuss in this class 9th. So in physics and chemistry, the fundamental science is physics. Only physics, both are important, but physics is more important as it connected to everything that we are using, each and everything that we are using in our home, that are applying any appliance or anything that is happening just according to physics. So this is our basic topics up to here. 19th century, the physical branches of 5 physical science. So I just want to summarize again. In physics, the first thing, the name of first chapter is physical quantities and measurement. So before discussing these things, we should know the introduction of physics, how physics came, how science came, how it happened. The science, the knowledge gained through observation and experiment is called science. It is basically a Latin word, scientia, natural philosophy. Natural philosophy is in before 19th or not until 18th century, before 18th century or not until 18th century. All the things were discussed under the same aspect. This is called natural philosophy. As well as the time spending, after some time it were divided into 2 main aspects: physical science and biological science. In physical science we were discuss living things discussed, and in biological science for living things, physical science for non-living things. So after that in 19th century physical science were divided into 5 main streams. In 19th century, physical science were divided into 5 main streams: physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology and meteorology. Physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology and meteorology. This is a little bit introduction of physics. In next lecture we will start our topic for this aspect, the first branch of physical science, physics. ओके, सो तब तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, मास्क का ज़रूर इस्तेमाल करिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.